Hi, it's Tom and Spot from Black Swan. Today, we're going to go a little more into depth on electric fireplaces. Stay tuned, because this is probably going to make your day. We'll start in depth with the log sets. The log sets are great for rental properties, bedrooms, condos where you're having fireplace issues. A lot of condos are now aging out at 25 to 30 years of age. They're condemning the fireplaces. You can no longer use them. Log set's a great option. You get ambiance, you get the aura, and it's simply plug and play. It's a simple solution to a problem. Fireplace insert in electric. Slides into an existing fireplace, has a faceplate to block off the balance of the opening, remote control. You can do different light settings inside. You can have some that produce heat. Nice option for a rental home, Airbnb, condos. Easy install, simply plug and play. Quite a few options. When you get into the more traditional style fireplaces, the advantages are simpler installation. There's obviously no venting involved. You just got to get electricity to it. This particular unit, by Heat and Glow, you can actually change the flame patterns, you can change the lighting, you can change the coal patterns, you can actually even change sound effects. So nice little way to achieve an end goal, but a cost-effective budget. One of the very popular options in the electric world right now is these more contemporary looking linear fireplaces. You can change the colors, you can change the flame pattern, you can change the color of the flames if you want even. One of the big advantages to this, they only take up about a 6-inch depth, so you can install them into most traditional walls. Thanks for watching. Follow us for more of these silly videos they keep making me make. We're here to help you out and make this work.